friends, it's Kayla here. In today's video, I have a walkthrough of this mini album. This one turned out really cute and I want to show you all the pages. First, let me give you the measurements. This one is 5.5 by 6.75 and the spine is 1.5. The paper I used for this album is this one from Recollections. This is a Cottage flowers, and I still have a lot of paper to make another album. I don't think I'm gonna make the same design, but I really love this paper, and for sure I am planning to make another album with this one used. And now let me show you. On my cover I used this clip that I got at Hobby Lobby. Also this ribbon is from Hobby Lobby. For the title here I used this die from Honeybee with the word blessed, and for the leaves I used this die from Lawn Fawn. This is the Magic Iris Fall Leaves, and I also saw all my pages, and I used gold thread all around my paper, also here in the center. This is the spine and the back of the album. Okay, now let's see the album. Okay, so this one opens here and we have room here for photos. We have this pocket and with this photo mat in here. This one is magnetized. I forgot to add the magnet before putting my pattern paper, but this one holds my album like this. So this page get attached with this with the cover, and then it doesn't move like it does when I open it. Yeah, so when it is closed, it takes a better form. Now in here, this one opens up like this, and we have two pockets in here with photo mats, and this other, and this one opens here for journaling, and this one go back. Then this one opens here. This is magnetized, and we have another mini pocket in here with a photo mat. This close here, and then this envelope with another photo mat. This is magnetized as well, and then also we have two pockets here with photo mats. This one is the first, and then this one, and this opens here, and we have again the same page as this one. This one opens here and then in here, and this is magnetized, and these two pages are the same. This is a pocket, so this one opens here, and I can pull this folio, and same with this other page. We can pull this folio, and this one goes back in our pocket. We have this tag here. This tag holds this flap. Then I can move this one, and this one opens here, and we have a pocket here with another tag or photo mat, and another pocket in here with this photo mat. Okay, and then we close it here, and again we have these two pockets with photo mats, And then this one opens here, and room for journaling. Okay, and this one opens up, and then in here we have a mini waterfall. Oops. And then this one, photos in here and more photos in here, and then we close it with this ribbon. And I love how this album turned out. It was one of my kids' favorite. They really liked this one. I don't have a tutorial for this album. If I make a tutorial, I might make a few changes, but hopefully this helps you as an inspiration to create your albums. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video, and give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one. Bye!